Betontex offers an effective system for localized structural reinforcement, enhancing strength and stiffness. It's particularly useful for tasks like repairing columns in underground parking lots, or restoring arches in old buildings. The key component of Betontex is a polymer-based material reinforced in synthetic fibers, known as FRP among experienced builders. It's radiolucent, non-magnetic, easy to handle and doesn't require much space. Betontex also incorporates carbon fiber mesh and epoxy resins, resulting in improved shear, flexural and compressive strength, and better resilience to seismic activity. Free Falcon has introduced a new standard for high-rise work with its innovative equipment, resembling a mix of a crane and a merry-go-round. Simply attach a safety cable to its boom and you're ready to work. The V211 version offers a 10-meter radius, and activates in about 2 seconds in case of emergencies. It's versatile regardless of the working height, while the delivery weight of 450 kilograms may impose a challenge. It hasn't deterred customers, with over 2,000 units already sold. For those not looking to purchase, rental options are also available. It feels like it's been a while since we discussed form work, doesn't it? Here are some videos covering form work from start to finish. Take for instance these elements from MBT, which allow for easy assembly of formwork with heights ranging from 20 to 120 centimeters. MBT also offers MaxiForm, a reusable formwork solution perfect for floor slabs, available in heights of 30 and 50 centimeters. It even lets you move up to 3 connected elements with a crane. As for competitors, there's the Siki formwork system, known for its lightning-fast assembly compared to the threefold slower setup of classic wooden formwork. The water in a pool flows over the edge, creating the illusion of boundless water. While it may seem straightforward, the specialists behind these pools put in a lot of hard work. Let's take a closer look at how it all works. The overflowing water cascades into gutters, and enters the compensation tank, typically holding around 15% of the pool's total volume. From there it undergoes filtration, disinfection, heating and other essential processes before returning to the pool. For the pools you're seeing on the screen, experts opted for the isi-miroir system, suitable for both new construction and renovations. Skilled workers can install this system and have it up and running in about half a day. Sika backer rod fire consists of mineral wool wrapped in a fiberglass mesh. This product is commonly known as back rod, and is used for sealing seams, but it's no ordinary sealant. Depending on the version, it can maintain fire resistance for up to 4 hours. With diameters ranging from 12 to 60 millimeters, it's suitable for joints from 7 to 51 millimeters wide. For extensive tasks, the 50 meters roll is the best option, and it pairs well with the flame retardant sealant, of course. With about 1/3 of a typical house's heat loss occurring through the walls, thermobead insulation comes as a timely solution. It's so effective that it pays for itself in an average of 4 years, reducing heat loss by 70%. What's more, working with thermobead is a breeze, often taking just a couple of hours. Using a special gun, workers fill voids with polystyrene beads ranging from 2 to 9 millimeters in diameter. These beads are durable and will last as long as the building itself. For more complex projects, craftsmen use an injection spear, allowing them to work with cavities up to 7.3 meters long through just one hole. Shunt and Alsace present Rolex Multiflex, a comprehensive duct renovation system. It pairs perfectly with condensing boilers, and allows for the connection of a separate chimney, each with an outer diameter of 60 mm and an inner diameter of 50 mm. Particularly beneficial for older homes, it doesn't require a complete reconstruction of existing duct work. Instead, it supplements it with flexible polypropylene pipes. Moreover, the installation process of Rolex Multiflex is well established, and 2 workers can do it all in half a day. Next on our list is TechZone Aludeck, one of the most effective slab formworks available. It's suitable for both residential and industrial construction. One of the models can handle concrete slabs up to a meter thick, with a maximum working load exceeding 9 tons. A team of 2 people is enough to assemble the formwork. Additionally, the height of the props can be tripled by using a special truss brace. SlimFix Reno Pro isn't just any insulation bot, it's a molded one with a 3D design, ideal for insulating roofs with a 20 to 60 degrees slope. This design has several benefits. First, it's easy to walk on. Second, it eliminates cold bridges. Third, leftover pieces can be sent to the manufacturer for recycling. Plus, it features innovative drainage channels. Standard slabs come in lengths from 2 to 7.5 meters, and cutting them on site is easy, without creating dust clouds. Stone quarries often produce a significant amount of waste, including splinters and dust, sometimes up to 40% of the total output. Instead of letting it go to waste, Swiss experts from the ARZO project found a practical solution. They partnered with a local marble quarry, and used a 3D printer to transform the waste into this floor system. While organic resins are typically used as binders, ARZO opted for geopolymer, making the slabs even stronger than concrete ones. Additionally, the printing process can incorporate waste materials from other industries, such as blast furnace slag. When discussing construction options, it's hard not to mention construction sets like Lego. The comparison holds true here. Each block from the Recycle Rebuilds team is crafted from 1.5 kilograms of plastic waste. Plus, the design and assembly process are remarkable. The vibrant colors of the finished buildings add to their appeal. This is crucial, as the Recycle Rebuild team tackles multiple global issues. Pollution is a major concern, with a truckload of waste entering the ocean every minute. Additionally, the housing shortage affects an estimated 1.6 billion people. Shock Bowl is renowned in the construction industry for its high-quality reinforcements. One standout option is the punching shear reinforcement Type F, developed in collaboration with prefabrication plants, making it perfect for automated installation. Shock Bowl engineers have addressed most factory needs with just a few stud and distribution rail models. This reinforcement comes in various diameters, such as 10, 16, and 25 mm, and is crafted from carbon steel. Once the reinforced concrete panel are prepared, it's time to build what you need from them. What about these houses from Lyre? They tackle the challenges facing the construction industry in many countries. With a shortage of skilled workers and rising service costs, Lyre offers a solution through modularity. Their houses are quicker, simpler, and more cost-effective to build compared to conventional ones. For instance, walls can be erected in just a few hours. A typical two-story house covering 114 square meters for 6 people costs from $40,000. Classic chalets usually have sloping rooms and 2 floors, and are made with natural materials, and stand out for their simplicity. Originally built in the mountainous regions of the Alps for shepherds, today even 300 square meters lofts with a hot tub are considered chalets. When you're in the Alps, take a look at the variety. If you're not ready to travel yet, you can start exploring chalet on your own plot. The Chalet en Bois team offers chalet ranging from 9 to 20 square meters. You don't have to be a shepherd. This version of the chalet can serve as a mini office, a workshop, or even a billiard room. An 18 square meter Scandinavian spruce cabin costs $9,056. Permacolumn products are the superheroes of the skirting world, blending the durability of precast concrete with the cost-effectiveness of post-frame construction. The company believes their skirt board design is revolutionary. It features a 10 cm high concrete base connected to wood, using stainless steel shear studs. Bossal composite reinforcement runs the full length of the reinforced concrete for added strength. The total height of this sandwich is around 18 centimeters. To speed up and simplify installation, Permacolumn provides special brackets. In today's video we have various drainage solutions to help you navigate through the abundance of information without feeling overwhelmed. There are heavy-duty elements designed to withstand loads up to 5 tons, as well as components labeled for home use. If you find yourself in need of a personal drainage system buried 10 meters deep, reach out to Northern Building Plastics. Additionally, Parts like poly-drain splitters can create drainage routes as intricate as the London Underground.